When you visit Costa Rica for the first time, it may seem a very green and natural place. That's just the first impression. What you should know about this green spot in the center of the Americas is that this happens because of decisions taken decades ago, when, for instance, 1/4 of the land was declared as a natural protected area forever. Just to see this in perspective, it's as if mankind declared the American continent as its natural garden. You will learn even more when you realize that for 10 bulbs that you switch on, 9 are lighted with clean energy. And when you understand that every single one of the Costa Ricans you meet in the streets produces 3 times more clean energy per capita than the biggest renewable energy producers in the world. And going further, Costa Ricans truly believe in becoming a carbon-neutral country for the 200th independence anniversary in 2021. So this is truly knowing the green of Costa Rica. You may have heard that Costa Rica is a place of peace, but being in Costa Rica will let you understand the meaning of this word. You'll know that peace means not having to worry about maintaining an army since over 50 years. And 8 out of 10 Costa Ricans you meet have never seen a soldier in their entire lives. So this is truly knowing the peace of Costa Rica. You can believe that Costa Ricans are talented and educated, but you will be aware of this until you see that the largest uniform body of the country is composed by children and young students in public classrooms. As well, when you know that talent was forged with decades of investment on each student, and investing more than twice of the GDP per capita in education than the average per capita spent in weapons around the world. So, this is truly knowing the talent of Costa Rica. You may know about the quality of life in Costa Rica, but you will feel life when you meet people who expect to live 15 years longer than the world's average, and very humble people on the North Coast with 4 times the chances of living more than 100 years than the rest of humanity. So, this is truly knowing the quality of life in Costa Rica. You can read that Costa Rica is a high-technology spot or that we are in the top countries of per capita exports of technology. What you could take a while to understand is that while in other countries people migrate abroad, here Costa Ricans are developing the technology for migrating to the moon and going to Mars on an erect flight. This in just 39 days instead of 11 months. Technology is thought that cleaning up the space garbage is right now an important issue for humanity. Technology is thought for everyone to have electricity, phone, and internet, regardless of whether they are big customers or not. That's how technology, as a result of a cultivated talent, is integrated into a life of quality in a country of peace and harmony with nature. So, this is truly knowing Costa Rica. Let's build together the future of the happiest country in the world.